Okay, watch this. I'm going to take this photo of a handwritten recipe, super messy, barely readable, and just drop it in here. And then I'm going to ask it, turn this into a clean ingredient list. Done. In 3 seconds, a perfectly formatted list. Now here's the part that got me. This isn't ChatGPT, this isn't Gemini. This is running entirely on my laptop. No internet, no subscription, no API key, nothing. And it's completely free. This is minicpm-v 4.6, and by the end of this video, it's going to be running on your machine too. So what actually is this thing? minicpm-v 4.6 is an open source AI model from a research lab called openbmb. Think of it like ChatGPT, but with eyes. You show it a photo, a video, a screenshot, a document, and it understands what it's looking at. It can describe it, answer questions about it, extract text from it, summarize it, whatever you need. But the big difference? It runs 100% on your device. Your photos never leave your computer. There's no cloud, no company storing your data, no monthly bill. The whole model is only 1.6 gigabytes. That's smaller than most apps on your phone. Tools that cost $20 to $30 a month. Oh, and it works on your phone too. iPhone, Android. I'll mention how to grab that at the end. All right, let's get it installed. Okay. Installation. 2 steps. No coding, no config files. Just follow along. First, go to ollama.com. Ollama is a free tool that lets you run AI models locally on your machine. It handles all the complicated stuff behind the scenes, so you don't have to. Click download, run the installer. It's like installing any normal app. On Mac, you just drag it to applications. On Windows, it's a standard install wizard. Takes about 30 seconds. Now, open your terminal. That's the black window with the blinking cursor. On Mac, you search terminal in Spotlight. On Windows, it's command prompt. Don't worry, this is the only time you'll ever touch it. Paste this one command and hit enter. It's going to download the model about 1.6 gigs, so depending on your Wi-Fi, maybe 1 to 3 minutes. Perfect time to grab a coffee. And we're in. You'll see a little chat prompt appear. That means it's running. Now let me show you the magic part. I'll just drag an image right into the prompt box, type, describe this image in detail, and there it is, your own private vision AI, running on your hardware. Ready to go. Quick note, for mobile users, you can download the minicpm-v app directly from their GitHub releases page. It's a pre-built app, works on iPhone, Android, and even Harmony OS. Full link is in the description. Okay, so now the real question, what do you actually do with this thing? Here are 4 things that I genuinely use this for, almost every day. Number 1, screenshot to text. You know when you see something on your screen and you need the actual text from it, a tweet, a menu, a slide from a presentation, but you don't want to type it all out manually, just screenshot it, drop it in, and ask, extract all the text from this. Boom, every single word perfectly pulled out. It works on printed text, type text, even handwriting. I've used this on doctor's notes, whiteboards from meetings, photos of books. It nails it every time. Number 2, content feedback. If you create videos, posts, thumbnails, anything visual, this is genuinely useful. I'll drop in a thumbnail I'm working on and ask, is this thumbnail clickable? What would make it better? And it doesn't just say, looks good. It tells me the text is too small. The contrast is off. Maybe try an expressive face in the corner. Actual, specific, useful feedback. It's like having a creative director who's always available and never bills you. Number 3, this one still kind of blows my mind video understanding. minicpm-v 4.6 can actually watch short video clips and tell you what's happening. Upload a clip, ask it to summarize what happens in this video, and it'll break it down with timestamps and key moments. I've used this to quickly research competitor videos without watching the whole thing, to pull key moments from interviews, and to figure out what a trending clip was actually about without sitting through it. For content creators especially, this is a huge time saver. Alright, here's what I want you to do right now. Go to the description below. I put the direct link to Ollama, the exact command to run, and a full written guide with troubleshooting tips in case you hit any snags. Everything is there. It's free, and it takes less than 5 minutes to set up. If you try it out, drop a comment, and if you found this useful, a like goes a really long way, and it helps other people find this video. And for more tips, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.